Let's learn how to print these patterns using string formatting in Python. Let's see how to print this half pyramid in Python. Very simple. For I in range of big 10 and print, want to print the left justified, right? So by default it is left justified. Format of I into want to print star. There you go. Then how do you print the inverted half pyramid? That is this pattern here. It's as simple as take the same for loop but use reversed, which will reverse this list or generator, then which means that you will get a generator from starting from 10 until 0. There you go, inverter pyramid. Then let's print this full pyramid. How to print this one? This is kind of tricky. Take take this. The here we want to justify this center so that we use caret. Let's use some 35 or some, so that we are reserving the 35 characters, and of these 35 characters these stars will be filled in the center. So it's okay. It's how much number you take here uh, besides how much space around you will. So format, and so don't want this thing to be congested and packed, so use some breathing room around it. There you go. Okay. So if you use 45, that's okay, it will work, since you are giving lot of space around. Do 55. See, check. So likewise, this 55 characters are reserved and the stars are filled in the center. Then how do you print inverted pyramid? It's simple. There you go. Use the reversed one, and use say, there you go, inverted one. See, this is what you will get with the reversed range of 10. You will get this is iterator. You will get from 10 to, from 9 to 0. 9 to 0, such that 9 stars are filled here like that, and until you get 0 or 1. Okay. That is how we can print this pattern. As simple as that writing 2 lines of code using powerful new string formatting syntax in Python.